Well guys, it's teaming down rain. We were planning on doing another camp oven cooking video today. Doesn't really work around the fire today. So today we're going to resort to the barbecue. And we're going to be using some of those veggies out of the patch there. We're going to be doing a potato, leek and chicken stew or soup in the camp oven. Nice and easy. Stay tuned.
Now that we've chopped the chicken and the veggies, we have to sear the chicken. Add some olive oil. Then we're gonna put in the chicken. See you on the set.
G'day guys, Matt and Maddie from AUCampers. Maddie's repping a hoodie. Today we're knocking up a potato and leek and chicken soup in the Hillbilly camp oven. But I'm only Maddie's assistant today, so you want to take it away?
Yeah.
Alright, I'll let you go.
Today Dad's helping me and shout out. First we're going, and we're using a Hillbilly. First you want to put in the onion. Try and get it all in there. Next you will want to put in the garlic. And then the veggies that we're using is potato and pumpkin. So you want to put them in there.
So you're going to get your chicken sauté.
And then after you've put in the vegetables, you will want to put in your chicken. And then you will want to put in your leek. And then you've got to give it a stir.
You want to put in enough stock there to cover, make sure everything is covered.
Salt of meat and meat lips.
Oh, you. Right, Maddie, what's going on with the stew?
It's ready.
Sure?
Yes.
Alright.
Yep.
So what are you checking? Are they squashing?
Yeah.
Awesome. So the stew is ready. So do you want to taste some of it? Probably burn your mouth, huh?
Yeah.
Ready to dish up?
Yeah.
What do you reckon?
Yeah.
Yep, righto. Cool beans. I'm Matt.
This is Maddie.
No, you're Maddie.
Oh yeah. I'm Matt and this is
I'm Matt.
this, and I'm Maddie.
Do it again. Ready?
Now that we've chopped the veggies and the chicken, we're going.
Alright guys, well that's Maddie and I cooking it for today. We're done. Anthony's going to come home, have a feed, fresh soup or stew, some homemade bread and that Maddie made earlier. I'll throw up a picture and I'll also throw up a recipe for it. But thanks again, and guys, get out, do some cooking with your kicking. Do some cooking with your kicking. Do some cooking with your kids. We're all stuck at home, so hell, you might as well enjoy it. What do you reckon?
Yeah.
Stay at home?
Yeah.
Let me kiss. Righto guys, cheers.